Alright guys, we got action, Wind Creek Casino. I just switched to a $1 spin and hit the 6 trains right off the bat, and I got the mini bonus, which is going to be $60 every time that hits. Alright guys, Wind Creek Casino, you know the drill. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe. And if you want to see more, please like it, share it, and if you want to see more like it guys, please subscribe. Alright guys, we got action, Wind Creek Casino, let's go. There you go, there's one. Keep it coming. That's nice. Alright. Nice action, guys. Let's go. Come on. Keep them coming. That's 2. Up, right in the window, guys. Right in the window. Let's go. Alright, keep them low. Up, right in the window, guys. Woo! What a hit, guys. Nice. Oh, a second mini, guys. Is that the kiss of death? Is that the kiss of death? Oh, got it again. Woo! Wow, guys. 2 minis that are $60 a pop. What a hit, man. Let's go. Keep them coming. Let's go. 1, 2. All right, let's spin, guys. Let's go. Make it happen. Nice hit, guys. Beautiful. That'll get you over hump day. Nice, guys. 653. We'll do a little backup spin, guys. We're down to 650, guys, and then we'll call it quits. Oh, that's wild. That's good. Wow. All right, one more, guys. All right, last one. All right, guys, we're gonna cash out. Nice little hit, man. Wind Creek, let's go. On to the next.